morning to our RANsquawk listeners. Hope you had a great evening. Just recapping some of the morning's events, a lot of commentary here out of the various European finance ministers and officials. In particular, EU's Olli Rehn did say that a deal regarding Greece could be imminent and they're very, very close to an agreement. This, of course, coming ahead of the key finance minister meeting on Monday, where various Greek sources have continued to suggest we could see a deal struck before that. Again, that is in part of the conferences that have been ongoing, so still on the lookout for further corporate executives as well as key European officials to speak throughout the day from Davos, Switzerland. In terms of elsewhere in the fixed income markets, little pressure felt in the Euribor strip this morning. It is down comparative to Eurodollar futures. This has come after we did see a decline in the 3-month Euribor rate, but the size of these decreases now do seem to be becoming smaller in the recent sessions after the dramatic falls that we were coming accustomed to following the ECB's 3-year LTRO. Elsewhere, in terms of the fixed income curve, further out in the 10-year sector, we've seen the likes of the Italian and Spanish spreads over bonds continuing to tighten fairly aggressively. We've had domestic buying touted in Spanish bonos this morning, and also the ECB was said to have been active via the S&P in the 5 to 7 year sector in Italian debt. However, that does remain unconfirmed. Looking forward to the rest of the session, one of the key things the market has been awaiting for and has contributed to some of the generally lighter volume so far this morning is the release of the Q4 advanced reading of US GDP. Quarter on quarter, analysts expecting a 3% reading, so a decent improvement on their prior reading. We'll see whether that will come to fruition when it's released at 1:30 London time. And in terms of corporate earnings, a couple of big names today, i.e. Chevron and Procter & Gamble, are both due to report ahead of the opening bell. That concludes the opening wrap from me here, and that's it for today and this week for myself, so I wish you all a great weekend.